Hello, hello. Welcome to the Nerd Garden. I brought home my work keyboard and I want to modify it. They don't care. First of all, let's say that they don't care as long as it works. I changed out these, all that's brown and cream. I did order keycaps and change those. I have the whole set, but I didn't like it. They're the same profile. They're all OEM, but these are rounded. They're the stock. And then the ones that I ordered are more square. So here's the difference in the sound. You hear the difference, right? It's okay. It's not terrible. I like Redragons. I like the Mint Mambo switches. I think they're nice and the sound is good. Let me take the case apart. You see the gaskets. Inside, we have this foam on the back of the PCB plate, which we're going to leave. And we have the silicone. You know, I really want to experiment and just see what it sounds like with nothing. Let's do that. Am I gonna love it or hate it? Some things I really want to try. Yes, we could do a tape mod. I really want to put cork in it. Let's see what kind of sound we get. Will it make that much of a difference? Okay, so I put the silicone back in. I'm going to put the cork on top of the silicone. Listen to it. It sounds so good. Those don't like those. All right, I'm going to take all these off. Cherry keycaps installed.